Okay, we are moving on to stem and leaf plots. Now, stem and leaf plots, we'll be doing back-to-back ones in a minute, but to start off with, we're going to be doing just a standard stem and leaf plot. You should have seen them before. Way we're going to do this is we're just going to have a look and go, okay, what's our lowest number here? Well, I can see a 5, so it's our lowest. What's our highest? I can see a 30, so we're going between 5 and 30, which realistically means we're basically going to have a tens column and a units column is what our stem and leaf is going to be. Now, you don't need to write them up. Now, for the 5, our tens column is going to have a 0. For our 30, we're going to have a 3 as our tens in our tens column. So that's how we're going to do it. As we go through, we're going to tick them off, and all we're going to put is the leaf. So when we go to this first one, we're going to go 24. Its 10 is a 2, and then its unit is a 4. Okay, now, when you do this, however, you should actually do it in numerical order. So I'm going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, and I'm just going to go 24. I'm actually going to do this twice. Okay, so you can go through and go smallest to largest, but if you've got a massive amount of data, which you shouldn't have, but if you do, that can be a bit complicated. So I'm just going to do it in 2 steps, and you'll see that it doesn't take that long. So that's a 7, then a 9, another 9, then a 5, then an 8, then a 7. Now, these should go under each other, like they should line up, and that makes it a lot easier as well. 8, there's an 11, there's another 9, there's a 9, 30, there's a 9 without anything, there's a 6, that's a 5, another 5, a 6, then you've got a 5 on its own, a 6 on its own, a 6 on its own. You got a couple of 10s, then you got a 28, a 29, and a 14. Okay, so we've done it, but now we have to put them in order. So I've done it so it's not in order. So now I'm going to go to these. I'm going to go, okay, so I've got 5, 3 6s. So 5, 6, 6, 6. Then I've got a 7, and I've got a 9. Have I covered them all? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, I'm done. Next one, I've got 2 zeros. Then I've got a 1, and I cross them out as well while I'm doing it. Then I've got a 4, 5, 4, 5. Then an 8, 9, 9. 8, 9, 9. So that's all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, no, I've got 9 of them. So something's missing. So you do have to be careful. There's a third 9. There you go. That's all done. Next one, 4 is my lowest. Then I've got 2 5s and a 6. Then a 7, 2 8s, and 2 9s. Oh, don't know what I'm doing there. And the last one, I've just got 30. So there you go. So that one was my my preparatory one, my preparation. This one is the actual final stem and leaf plot. Now, as I said, if you want, when you're first going through these, you can actually go through and go, right, I'm going to get the lowest number first. The lowest number is 5, and do that. Or you can do it in one fell swoop and do it twice. When we do the next one, which is back-to-back stem and leaf, I'm actually going to go through and only do it once because I don't want to have to do it twice because it'll take too long. But there you go.